If you are on HubSpot Sales or Service, Pro or Enterprise, you know the power of sequences. And today there were a lot of changes, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. First of all, you can enroll up to 50 contacts at one time in a sequence. 50 contacts, definitely a lot more than what we are used to. Number two, there are increased send limits. It used to be you could only send 150 emails per day. Now those send limits have increased to 500 for pro users and 1,000 for enterprise users. Next, in your sequences, if you have a sequence with a task in it, the sequence will now pause until the task is completed. This is the default. Just take a look at this. Step 2 is a task. Create a task in 2 days. Now, by default, the sequence will pause unless you check right here. Continue without completing the task, and as this little indicator will tell us, if this box is checked, the sequence will automatically move to the next step, even if you haven't marked this task as complete. But keep in mind, those sequences will pause if you don't complete the task to move them forward. And then finally, the last thing is sender scores. You can get reporting on specific sales reps, specific senders. You have to make sure, though, that these senders have, number one, you have to make sure that they have at least 100 ended sequence enrollments. And that, of course, helps us get good data. Number two, you have to make sure, in order to see this sales rep's data, you have to make sure that they have an assigned sales or service hub seat. So make sure that they have that assigned seat, and then you can drill down and take a look at some of the sender scores that they are doing, making sure that they are not abusing that increased send limit, making sure that they are not engaging in any spammy behavior. You can even drill down and see which of a particular sales rep's best sequences are performing and which ones are not performing as well as expected. And then from there, you can do some coaching and help your sales rep. So a lot of changes here in sequences in HubSpot. So check them out and good luck.